Tired of juggling between Wati and HubSpot, feeling like your marketing and sales are speaking different languages? Let's bridge that gap in 90 seconds. First, you'll need a Wati account and a HubSpot account. Make sure you have admin access to both platforms, so you can grant the necessary permissions for integration. In Wati, navigate to the API documentation section. You'll find your API key there. Copy this. It's the magic ingredient that connects Wati and HubSpot. Now, hop into HubSpot, go to Settings, then Integrations, and find the option to connect a new app or service. Choose an integration platform like Zapier, Make, or Pipedream. These act as the translator between Wati and HubSpot. We'll be using Zapier in this video. In Zapier, click Create Zap. Search for Wati as the trigger app. This means something happening in Wati starts the automation. Select your trigger, for example, new message received. Connect your Wati account by pasting your API key when prompted. Next, choose HubSpot as the action app. This is what will happen in HubSpot when the trigger fires in Wati. Select an action, like create contact. Map the data from Wati, like the sender's phone number and message content to the corresponding fields in HubSpot, like first name, last name, and email. Zapier guides you through this, making it super simple. Test your Zap to make sure everything's flowing correctly. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap. Now, every time a new message is received in Wati, a new contact will be automatically created in HubSpot. Boom, automated. That's it. You've just created a basic Wati and HubSpot automation. Explore other triggers and actions to customize your workflow and boost your marketing and sales efficiency. Remember to subscribe for more automation tips.